In this video, we will discuss about the Lenz law. According to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, whenever there is a change in the magnetic flux linked with the coil, then the induced EMF is produced. Further, Lenz law says that induced EMF is produced in such a way that it opposes the cause of producing it. Means जो चीज EMF को प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, EMF उसी को ही अपोज करेगा. So to understand the Lenz law, let us discuss some of the examples. So I considered this is a loop and this part of the loop is towards you and the dotted line part is away from you. So I'm having a bar magnet having north pole and south pole. So this bar magnet have a magnetic field lines and it is along this direction. As we push this bar magnet towards a loop that is along this direction, so pushing of this bar magnet will increase the magnetic field inside the loop. As a result, the magnetic flux increases. So according to the Lenz law, the induced EMF or current is produced in such a way that it opposes the increase. So here the magnetic field is increased. How can it oppose? The current in the loop is in such a way that it opposes the magnetic field, or it opposes by producing a magnetic field in the opposite direction. So that is along this direction. So we know that the magnetic field lines inside this bar magnet move from the south to north. So this part will be your south and this part will be your north. And north pole, so it repel, it means it opposes this motion. So if you use right hand thumb rule, that is, if thumb is the direction of magnetic field, that is along this direction, curling of finger give you the direction of current. So that is along this direction. So this is the direction of current. Now let us do another one example in which the south pole is towards the loop and north pole is away from the loop. And the direction of magnetic field lines for this case is along this direction. Now again you push this bar magnet towards this loop, then you will find that the magnetic field inside this loop will also increase as we push this bar magnet towards a loop. So because of Lenz law, the induced current is produced in this loop in such a way that it opposes the increase of magnetic field. How can it oppose the increase? By producing a magnetic field in the opposite direction. So if it is along this direction, so opposite direction will be like this one. So this is your direction of magnetic field. We know that magnetic field move from the south to north. So this part will be your south and this is your north. If you want to find out a direction, if thumb is the direction of magnetic field, curling of fingers give you direction of current. So this is your magnetic field is along this direction, curling of finger give you direction of current. So that is along this direction. So this is how we can able to find out the direction of induced current in a loop. Similarly, we take another one example. Suppose this is our loop. Hard line part is towards you and the dotted line part is away from you, and a bar magnet is placed on the axis of this loop, and this bar magnet is producing a magnetic field along this direction. Now, as this bar magnet is pushed away from this loop, so because of this pushing, the magnetic field inside this loop decreases. According to the Lenz's law, the induced EMF is produced, induced current is produced in this loop in such a way to oppose this decrease of magnetic field or flux. So how can it oppose? It can oppose by producing a magnetic field in the same direction. So that is, this is the direction of magnetic field by this magnet. So direction of magnetic field induced by this loop will be along this direction. So that is, here inducing a south pole and here it will be your north pole. So again, if thumb is the direction of magnetic field, curling of finger give you the direction of current, induced current, that is along this direction. Similarly, if I take another one example, suppose this is your loop and this is our bar magnet which is placed along the axis of this loop, and here it is south pole, this is your north pole, and the magnetic field lines for this case is towards the south pole. As this bar magnet is pushed away, so the magnetic field lines inside the loop decreases, so as the magnetic flux. So according to the Lenz's law, the induced EMF or a current is produced in this loop in such a way that it opposes this decrease. So how can it oppose this decrease? By producing a magnetic field along the same direction. So that is along this direction. So it is your south pole along this direction and north pole along this direction. Again, you know that thumb is in the direction of magnetic field, curling of finger give you a direction of current, induced current, that is along this direction. This is how we can able to find out the direction of induced current in the loop. So the Lenz's law help us to find out the direction of a current in the loop. So one more thing you can see here, as you push this bar magnet away from this one, so it creates a opposite poles. If you push this bar magnet away from the loop, then the opposite poles are created. Here if you push this bar magnet away from this one, south pole is created, and if you push this bar magnet away, so here north pole is created. So again, if you see the above one example also, if you push this bar magnet towards this one, towards the loop, so same poles are created. Similarly here also, if you push this bar magnet towards the loop, and the same poles are created. So this you can remember also, that if you push any bar magnet towards the loop, same pole will be created, and if you push away the bar magnet, then opposite poles are created.